Hello everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to view Snapchat messages without seen. If you want to view your Snapchat message without being seen, you just need to follow these steps. First, open your Snapchat app and here go to chats, and now you just have to select the chat you want to view message. As I'm going to choose this one, so just scroll it to left and take it. Don't scroll until full. Just scroll it and now go back, and here you can see I have successfully read the message without being seen. It is not opened. Now do it again. Just open it, scroll it, and just read the message and then get it back. And here you can see I have seen the message, but the message is not opened. So that's how you can see Snapchat message without being seen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.